up, besties? It's your girl E Michelle, and I'm back with another video, and this is going to be part 2 of my Teddy Blake handbag video, the Vanessa. I wanted to show you guys like what all could fit in there. I did my initial unboxing and just kind of showing you guys what the bag was about. So now let's go ahead and see what all I can fit in there. Hey. Now let me move some of this stuff out of the way so you guys can see. Oh gosh, this is heavy. No wonder why my back be hurting. So the current bag that I'm carrying is this cute bag from Target. Now this is more so like a work bag, so it is a little bit bigger and thicker. I do carry a lot of extra things that I probably don't have to carry on a daily basis, but we're stuck in our Teddy Blake, so let's see what all we can fit in the Teddy Blake. And what I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna adjust the view of the camera so you guys can really see what all I'm fitting in there, if I can make this other bag not try to tip over. Whew, okay, hold on. Okay, so now we have our bag here, and I can go ahead and open it up. This is how much room we have in here to kind of store things and put things in here. Now it does have this zipper pocket here, so, oh, that's cool. The zipper pocket has items that we can stick in there, and I think you guys can see it just as well if I do it like this, and I'll show you as I'm sticking the things in my bag. Okay, so first things first, you know I have to have my planner. So this is my A5 day designer planner, and I have a video coming up with that, or it's already out, I don't know. I'm not sure when this all is going to happen, but you know I have to carry my planner because I am a planner girl. So this is number one thing that has to go in here. So doop, let's see, I can show you if it's right in there. I may stick it up because it doesn't, if I stick it up you can kind of see it that way, and I'm gonna see how this all works. Okay, so my next thing would be my wallet. So I have my Louis Vuitton wallet, so I'm gonna stick that in there because this is like a little luxury, so I feel like it should be in there as well, and it fits just fine in there. Okay, next up, now here's the task at hand. I have an iPad Pro, and this would be like having a laptop. Now I normally carry my laptop and my iPad Pro around, and I don't know where my laptop is, so oh, it's on my bed. So yeah, I was working last night. There we go, that fits in there. It actually fits in there fine. It does weigh it down just a little, but it does fit in there. So if I wasn't able to take my laptop with me, I could definitely take my iPad Pro and I would be good to go with that. So now I have my cell phone. Now one thing I do notice is that this does not have the inside pockets where you can stick things at. So I would probably be kind of SOL with the spacing inside, yeah, because there are none of those little pockets like on the inside to house like where you can stick your cell phone in like really quickly. So I have, whoa, okay, bag, all right. So I have my two phones here. I'm gonna stick those just right here behind my wallet, so those are easy accessible. I do like to carry my eyeglasses case and my contacts just in case I need to switch to either of those. And so I'm like looking, I am like already running out of space. So I don't know if this would be my everyday carry bag, only because I got stuff to carry. Like I have my mouse here, so we're gonna stuff it and see how far I can go. You know, I'm not gonna give it up. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna stop. I also have my battery charger, my extra battery charger here that I keep with me at all times, because you never know. My Villa Beautiful pen that she sent us for the Planning to Better Me retreat, here for it. My keys, okay, so my keys would go in this little middle pocket right here that zips up, and that's only because I need to be able to access those quickly and stick them in there quickly. Now here we go. I don't think I'm gonna have room for this whatsoever, so I'm just gonna sit this right here. That has like all my pens and pencils and such in there. Okay, so I have some rando stuff that I need to carry around with me. Like these are some gift cards that I got from the thing, and I have like a $5 off anytime you spend $15 or more, and my registration that I need to send off for. So I need to keep that in here. So I'm gonna put this just like right in front of my planner stuff. Okay, put that in front of the planner stuff. Hopefully you guys can see that. just kind of sticking that down in there. Once it gets down in there, it is pretty roomy and pretty, you know, good to go. I do need to make sure I carry my comb because I got my real hair out now. So when my real hair is out, you know, I got to carry around the comb. Okay, so now here are the other little knick-knack items that I usually carry around. Like, I'll have some lotion. So this is the Dove lotion. Thank you, Monica, for grabbing this for me. I either carry that or my Jergens. Let me show you my Jergens as well. Carry around my Jergens lotion. So it'll just be one or the other. I won't carry around both of these when I have this bag. So I'll put one or the other in there. Also, you know, you gotta have your lady products. So you gotta put your tampons in there. I'm just gonna stick that. Y'all ain't gotta see what, you know, tampon I got in there. It's maybe TMI, but I always like to carry one of those around. I do tend to keep one in here sometimes as well. I like to carry them around. I don't have, you know, regular cycles, so I never know. So I always just keep one just in case. Just in case I don't get home tonight. That's the song by Jaheim, if you guys didn't know. Okay, so I'm just grabbing all these other little nicky nackies out of here. Okay, so my Apple Pencil. My previous iPad had the case that could stick the pencil like directly up in there. This one that I have now does not. So I kind of have to carry it separately, but I like for it to be secured. So that's going to go inside. You know what? I'm gonna have to move my keys out. That's gonna have to go inside this little pouch in here. As you guys can see, we're getting pretty full. Okay, and then I have some gum and I have a mirror, which is, I would show you it, but it's actually broken on the one side, and that's a whole thing. And that's actually the side I need, is the smaller side, so it's, yeah, it's broken. I probably don't even need to be carrying that around, but here we are. And I have some cards that I just carry, and I love this little thing. This is actually a gift from Tay, like over a year ago. She got it for me. It's a Kate Spade little ID holder, and I just grab this and I'll stick it in my pocket if I'm going in a store that I can't use Apple Pay, and it just houses my cards and my license and stuff like that. Very easy to carry with me, and I love that. But I could quite possibly just carry it in my wallet, but I do like sticking things in my back pocket and moving on with my life quickly. So I'm gonna stick this. Do I want to stick this in here? Yeah, I'm gonna stick all this down in here, and I'm keeping my Apple Pencil until I get another case to hold it in. I'm just gonna leave that there. I do have a pen here, so I'm good with that. I probably would take one highlighter because I feel like you need a highlighter. Oh, and look, okay. These are my extra pair of AirPods. I need those because sometimes I connect my laptop. I can just stick those, honestly. Let's see. Let's see if I can. I'm sticking it. I've got it in there, so I'm gonna stick that in there. But I also need to put like my products in there. So I have my eyelash stuff. I have my mascara. I have my lip gloss that I carry, which is from Lip Sense. I absolutely love this lip gloss. And then I have the Kat Von D. Those are my like go-to ones. And then my brow stuff from Fenty. If you guys didn't know, I'm a Fenty snob, so I like love all things Fenty. If you guys ever wanted to get me something, a Sephora gift card to buy Fenty would be amazing, or you can just order it by yourself and send it to me. Neither here nor there. And I think I have some more of these little cards that I need to stick someplace. I'm gonna move this out of here, and I think I'm actually going to hook it on to, because I know I'm not gonna carry these straps on here, so I'm actually gonna take these straps off. Okay, I'm gonna take the straps off. Take the straps off. And I can hook my AirPods case up here to there. So now I have my AirPods case on there. Now, one thing I just well, not just noticed, but I just realized I could do, I can undo the sides of this bag and it would make it stretch a little bit more to have a little bit more room. Now, the only thing I would need to add in here would be my laptop, but already this thing is pretty heavy. Like, it's heavy. Okay, it got so heavy on me. But I said I wanted to add like a highlighter or something. So if I added a highlighter, which one would it be from inside of here? Because of course, you know, gotta have the right highlighter. Okay, it's a thing. I have my Crayola ones. Why are there like random staples in here? That is weird. Or, you know, I'll just put a mild liner. I'll just put a matte liner. I have an extra couple matte liners, I think. So I'll just put a matte liner in there and have that ready to go. And I could just stick that like right there. And then I'm just gonna take one of my Ollie clips that I just found in that little bag, and I'm gonna put that inside of my planner until it gets somewhere else. Oh, excuse me, that was weird. Okay, I think I have everything, you guys. Like, I think I have everything where I would be good enough to go with this bag. This is it's like with everything in there. So let me just lean it in so you can see. So it does fit this is like a 12.9 inch iPad. So that's there, that 12.5 inch iPad, which, I mean, if I didn't carry this around all the time, I probably, you know, be a little less heavy. I have my planner in here. I have my eyeglass case. I have my extra set of AirPods. And what did I do with my keys? My keys are in here. Oh, my keys are right here. So I have my keys, which I could potentially, on the other side, I could hook that over there, but that might be doing too much. I need easy access to keys. So maybe I'll just keep the keys up here with the iPad. And let's see, so move that out the way a little. So then we have my wallet in here, and then the little extra charger, the external charger is right here. And again, my planner fits in there. So I mean, all the stuff fits in there really nicely. I'm not opposed to this at all. This is where like my knickknack stuff would go, and I'm okay with that. Like I said, it doesn't have those extra pockets on the outside, but it doesn't bother me at all. And I still could actually, I don't need to have this unbuttoned. I can keep it buttoned the way that I have it. So yeah, if this was just gonna be like a bag that I carried every day, this would be this would be as much stuff as I could take. Anything else I would have to carry in my hand or anything, but that might actually be better than doing the way that I've been doing it. So yeah, here we go. This is the bag. Okay, Teddy Blake, here for it. So all right, you guys, so let me know what you guys think about the Teddy Blake bag. Do you like it? Do you like how much you can store in it? Am I storing too much? Probably so. On average, I mean, I don't think many people are going to be carrying around like that big of an iPad, or, you know, having to carry around their laptop every day. But the things that I do, this would be very convenient for me. And like I said, I still have enough room. I have an MacBook Air that I could still stick down in here as well, and it still would be, you know, I would either probably carry one or the other. I wouldn't do both of them. I couldn't get any like extra electronics or anything like that in there, but again, this is an everyday, like, I guess you would say, like a purse and not a tote bag. So when I think of a purse, I probably don't need all those items in there anyways. That's me just overthinking life. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about the bag down below. I cannot wait to try this out. I will let you guys know probably on Instagram, you know, how the bag's holding up, and you know, if I like it, is the leather holding up, is it good, and all of that stuff. But right now, you guys, this is like pretty freaking awesome, and I love it. Oh, and I didn't show you guys the things on the bottom. There's stoppers on the bottom. Who doesn't like a bag with stoppers on the bottom? I do, okay? Me, I'm here for it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you in my next video. Mwah! KK, bye! Get the bag.